In this video, I'm going to talk about converting from degrees, minutes, and seconds into just degrees. And what I want to start off with is a simple visualization where we have a circle here and I've cut out a tiny little sliver that's equal to 1 degree. All the units of measurement we're going to be talking about all refer to measures of angles, so hopefully this visualization helps to solidify that. Now if we zoomed way into this sliver, we would see that it is further divided into smaller sections called minutes. And then if we did the same thing and zoomed into the minutes, we would see that each minute is then divided into seconds. In order to get back up to degrees, what we're going to have to do is convert from seconds back to minutes. So there are 60 seconds in 1 minute. And then we're going to have to convert from minutes into degrees. And there are 60 minutes in 1 degree. So keep this visualization in mind, and then what we're going to do is go to some practice problems. For our first problem, let's say we have 43 degrees, 48 minutes, and 2.16 seconds. So the easiest way to go about this is to write this linearly. So we'll actually keep it all in line right here. 43 degrees plus, and then we're going to do 48 minutes over 60. And the reason we're doing that is because we want to go from minutes to degrees, like up in our diagram. So there are 60 minutes in a single degree, and we only have 48 of them, so we're only going to get a fraction of a degree. Then we're going to do the same thing with our seconds. So 2.16 over 3,600. And the reason we're doing this is because we're making 2 jumps. We're going from seconds to minutes, and then minutes to degrees. So really how you could imagine this is 60 times 60, since we're making 2 of those jumps. But if you multiply it out, it comes out to 3,600. So when we plug all this into our calculator, we get 43 plus 0.8 plus 0.006. And then we can just add everything up, and it's going to be 43.8006 degrees. Let's look at another problem here. This time we have 139 degrees, 46 minutes, and 20.28 seconds. So we can rewrite it: 139 degrees plus 46 over 60. That's the minutes part. And then we can do the same thing with the seconds part. 20.28. This time we divide by 3,600. Since again we're making 2 jumps to get back to degrees. Plug this into our calculator and we get 0.76667 plus 0.005633. I would recommend that if you do get like repeating numbers, just to leave them in your calculator and then round at the very end. Don't prematurely round, because then you might be off a little bit. But then when we add everything up, what we get is 139.7723 degrees.